What's the name of this video?
3 vacuums?
Tell me about those 3 vacuums.
Oh, sure.
What kind of vacuum is that?
It's a Bissell. It's a Power Force Helix. Is that a Helix? This is a Power Force Helix. It has lots of filters. And it got hose. And it has turbo brushes. Do you want to look? And
What kind of motor does it have?
12.
Is it bagless or bagged?
Bagless.
It's a bagless?
This is a HEPA filter. Don't get it wet.
Don't get that wet, huh?
Otherwise, you will have to wait for another filter to replace with.
Mm.
Okay, I have the medium crevice tool that is Bissell tool, and it's medium size. And it's an extension wand. And I'll show you how this works. Perfect. And so, it doesn't have self-propelled on Kirby. Well, it does have a bag in here inside. You want to look inside? Huh. That's beautiful. I like it. See, when the bag is full, you'll have to replace it with your Kirby. There we go. Alright, now for the Hoover. This is a Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled bagless, and it has 12-amp motor, 31.0 Hoover cleaning performance, and it's got a hose, and it's got a turbo brush. We had both replaced many parts on it. Those are my new tools. See that, Daddy? Let's take a look at the extension ones. That crevice tool must be large, and there are 2 extension ones.
Let's see the crevice tool.
Yes, it is kind of big. We're going to dump out the baking soda, and we're going to vacuum this now. So, we're going to vacuum the Bissell and test it. Now we're going to vacuum the Kirby. Now we can vacuum up the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled. So let's see what happens. First the Bissell. Did a good job, and time for the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled. Bissell. It had picked up the baking soda. So we flip our little lever. There's what I saw right here that I vacuumed up. So tell me about the Kirby. This Kirby did a great job vacuuming up the baking soda. And I see how much did it pick up. So that's what it did. I see it. Really tell us about the bag. He picked it up.
Yeah, it's in the bag, but you can't see it. Oh well.
So, I'm going to tell you about the Hoover.
Did it do a good job?
Yes.
Show me.
But it did got picked up by the baking soda.
So which one did the best?
The Bissell.
Why did the Bissell do the best?
It vacuumed up in the dirt cup.
It vacuumed it up in the dirt cup, huh?
Yeah.
It did a better job of putting it in the dirt cup?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, we really love it.
So who won that vacuum battle then?
The Bissell.
The Bissell won the vacuum battle.
Yes.
Okay. Congratulations, Bissell.
See how dirty that is in there? That's gross. Cool. I love this.